Alright, YouTube viewers, here we have one of 4 industrial TATs. I did a video of one of them a while ago when I got it. Now I'm going to do a video of all 4 now. I have the blades all balanced out in sets. This one was one of the newer 3. This is the one that actually spun and didn't need much TLC. All the scratching and stuff on the motor is actually from the safety cable. It was just grinding on there, and the canopies were switching around. The bell canopy was down there, and that canopy was up there. I since corrected that. See if we can get a look at what's left of the tag. Not really much of that. Probably also because of the glare. Give me a second. Let's move it out of the way. There we go. This one has the date code on it. I know these are all 93. It still does have the 90 code. 93, and there's also a 93 right there. Either way, this fan I did do the same thing as the other ones. I did it with some WD-40 and some oil. Let it work its way on. We're going to see if it works on low speed. It looks like it will. So that's saying something about this fan. Not a lot of fans work on the low speed, so. This fan's really heavy. It's steel, stamped steel motor, stamped steel blades, but it moves a pretty good amount of air actually. I'm actually quite impressed by it. I will have 3 of these for sale. I'm only keeping 1, I've decided. I'll post later on which one I'm going to keep. Probably going to be asking 20 bucks for them since they're not in the best condition, but they do work well. So, either way, it looks like that's as fast as we're going to get a flow. Hard to say for sure. Sorry about that, picking up some blower up that fell. Because once again, these things are heavy and take a while to get up to speed. But, kind of encouraging. This is probably going to be the one I keep unless there's another one that's quieter. So that's low. That should be medium low. Looks like we're picking up a little bit of speed. There still is a little bit of a wobble. That's because the blades aren't perfectly in weight. They're off by maybe 1 or 2 grams. Again, as close to the pairs. On high though, it balances out pretty well. So this is medium low, as you can tell. There it goes. It's going to balance out a little bit more. Go ahead and go to medium high. Maybe able to hear the bearings now. Starting to get a little bit of bearing noise. Let's go to high speed now. Still picking up speed. These do pretty fast on high, actually. I'm surprised. When I say insanely long spin down, I mean insanely long spin down. Man. Oh, I'm gonna reposition this so I can sit down on it because it's gonna be a heck of a sit down. There you go. So I'm labeling this fan TAT 1 of 4. Interesting thing about these fans, the down rods are galvanized steel. So some pretty heavy duty down rods for fans, I'm surprised. I mean, I'm sure they're not original, but still quite impressive, I guess. I did come down to a shorter length just so that I could test them and use them. They're probably easier to ship up for a shorter length also. Well, we're throwing the Dayton over there now. Once again, these have an incredibly long spin down. Might make it to the 10-minute mark. Ugh. Oops. Tapped it in the wrong place. There we go. Well, we're getting close now, I think. And that's all she wrote. Either way, thanks for watching.